Good morning again. We're ready to do our third and final red word of the week. So here is our sentence. It says, what is the hardest part of taking care of a dog? What is the hardest part of taking care of a dog? Now that I read it, I probably should have written, what is the hardest part about taking care of a dog? But here is our sentence. And the important part is the red word, and that's the one that's underlined, and that word is part. That is our red word, our third red word of the week. The word is part. It is spelled P-A-R-T. Part. The word part means a piece of something. And this is a great red word to do this week since we're doing math having to do with fractions, which means a piece of the whole. So the word part will come up a lot during your math work too. So it's a good word to know. I'm sure you already knew it though. The word part, again, I'm not sure why it's a red word because it does sort of sound the way it's spelled. P. And then the pirate A, R. The A-R says R, and then T. Art, part. It really does sound the way you spell it, but it is our red word, and so we will learn it as such. So to do the word part, I'm going to put this down, we need the P first. When we write it, we start at the middle line, and we come all the way down, and then into the basement. We come up, and then we circle around downstairs. To do the A, we start at the 2 o'clock dot downstairs. We circle around, come up to the middle line, and down to the bottom line. R starts at the middle line, comes down to the bottom line, up, and just before the middle line, it scoops around, but not too much, or what letter do we make? N. Last letter is a T. T is all the way down, and then a line across on the middle line. That is part. Let's try it 3 times. Get your tracing fingers ready. Ready? Here we go. Middle line, start there. P, A, R, T. 2 more times. P, A, R, T. Again. P, A, R, T. Great. Now we're going to arm tap. So we're going to get our arms ready. Let's see if I can do it without getting mixed up today. Emma Hamilton and Joey, you're going to take your right arm and cross it across. Take your left hand and put it on your right wrist. The P is at your wrist, A is your lower arm, R is your upper arm, T is your shoulder. Everybody else, take your left arm and bring it across. Take your right hand and put it on your left shoulder. P is at your shoulder, A is at your upper arm, R is at your lower arm, T is at your wrist. Let's get ready to tap. Get your position. Here we go. P, A, R, T, part. Again. P, A, R, T, part. Again. P, A, R, T, part. That is our red word for today. Maybe you can find a way to include it in something you write today. Have a great day.